Hello, hello, and welcome. Let's work on our hips today, shall we? Let's come into a cross-legged position. If your knees are up here, you might benefit from this video. Or if your legs have trouble opening like this, same. Go ahead and come out, and we're going to stand up and start in tree pose. Tree pose involves external rotation of the hip. So we're going to breathe in and out of the nose for this, and come standing in your best standing posture. Okay, so we want to start standing on one foot and picking up the other. Really simple. Externally rotate and then place the foot on the lower leg. Another way to do it would be to place the foot on the inside, upper thigh. Or the most classical variation of tree is to zip the outside line of the foot up the thigh. This one's actually the original tree pose. And you can have your arms anywhere that you wish. I'm going to choose prayer position just because it's easy. And then let's go to the second side. Just notice where your hip is in each of these positions. Externally rotating, placing the foot on the inside of the shin, inside of the thigh, or again, zipping up the front of the leg. So if there was anything that was difficult about this, just notice where. A lot of times people place their foot on the inside of the leg and then hang out here. What we want to develop is the ability to come into tree pose ourselves with our strength and not with our hands. So let's start lying on our backs, and we're going to try this next variation of tree pose. Folding one leg in, one leg long. Just notice where your hip is feeling it, if it's in the front, if it's on the side. Or if your hips are open, you can notice that too. Don't forget to breathe. And then roll to your side and push up to seated with your arm strength. Grab a yoga tune-up ball or a tennis ball, something like this. Hit pause if you need to go grab one. We're going to put it on the outside of the hip and roll around a little bit. We're rolling around on the outside muscles of the hip, and then you're welcome to this little open, close, open, close, open, close. Let's switch sides. Don't forget to breathe in and out of the nose. And release. Put the ball to the side, and I think for this next one, we're going to need a little pillow. So go grab yourself a pillow. We're going to work a little internal and external rotation at the same time. So this is a little side sitting swivel exercise. Swivel with me. That's a hard word to say sometimes. Swivel with me into a right-legged forward position. I'm going to show this from the front, right-legged forward position. And you want to sit up tall. If it's difficult to sit up tall, this is what you'll do with the pillow. You'll grab it and put it under the right butt cheek. And make sure that your right side is on and your left hip is completely off of the pillow. All right, since I don't prefer a pillow. I'm going to go straight to the floor and sit up tall. From the knee through the ankle on the back leg, this is what we're going to be pushing into the floor. So we're just going to gently push down into the floor with that whole side. And you should notice it right here on the outside of the hip. And relax. Push down and relax. Press down. Relax. Press down. We're holding. On this next one, pressing down. Sitting up tall, breathing deep. You don't need to give it your all, but give it about 75% effort. And then swivel again. So the idea here through this practice is we're opening the hip by working internal rotation, and we're working strength through the outside of the hip. So we're pressing down through that back leg and press. Relax and press. Relax and press. And you're feeling it right there. Pressing down. Hold. Breathe. All right, and swivel again. Coming back into this right leg in front, sitting tall again. This time when we press, we're going to do a little 1 through 5. So we're pressing down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 being like 100% effort, and relaxing 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pressing down again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relaxing 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Swivel a few times. Same thing on that second side. Pressing down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And relaxing 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Excellent. And gently come out and come into your cross-legged position. How things have changed. Look at that. I love this feeling. All right, let's try out our second position. Beautiful. Some freedom here. Let's stand and use that in our tree pose now. Tree pose. Vrikshasana. All right, standing, and then also maybe trying, whatever variation of tree is your favorite. And remember, keep in mind, it's not always about having the leg up high. It's about being comfortable in this position and allowing your hips to open. Beautiful. Great job. And stay tuned until I see you next. Take really good care.